Hello and welcome back. Today in this video we are going to talk about setting up Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE is a software which you need to install in your PC for the basic development, where you can write your code, instruction, everything. So first you have to go to the official website. You can check our document link in this course and then use that URL to go to the official website, download the setup file as per your OS and then start installing from that exe file. Once that is done, you can open the software using the icon. Once the opening the app, you can see it like this. If you see this screen, that means you are good to go with the programming. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in next video. Thank you.